banging on the front door. You said you had enough, now you're coming back for more, but that's alright. I said that that's alright. I may not want to admit it, I'm just a fool for your stockings, I believe. Now I don't mind when you send money and bring your girlfriends with you, but how could one be so thoughtless to try and handle less than two? But that's alright. I said that that's alright, baby. I may not want to admit it, I'm just a fool for your stockings, I believe.